Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, igniting the Oracle Wars. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the exclusive crypto growth discount offer on Decent. Decent is secure, convenient, and safe. You guys can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. And guys, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. I personally prefer keep storing my assets in a cold hardware wallet, so this is my take on it. You guys can check it out as well. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both Flare and Songbird at the time of the recording, guys. So this is Flare. It is up 2.40% for the day. The price is 0.02829. Check this out. The price went from 0.02692 all the way to 0.0288. Really cool looking chart over here. I mean, this is a mirror chart. Check this out. Red and green. I mean, this is cool. Anyways, now let us look into the 7-day chart. So the price is up 1.30%. The price went as low as 0.026, as high as 0.029. Guys, it broke that crucial 3-cent mark, but it still is testing crucial support levels. I'm going to be showing you guys. Check this out. It went from 3.5 cent and broke through the 3-cent mark that we were talking about. This was a crucial level. Anyways, it broke through it, and now it is trying to rebound from the price, almost 2.5 cents. It is trying to rebound back. Check this out, guys. This is the yearly chart. This is the support level I was talking about. It did a little fake breakout over here towards this downside, but it is trying to rebound back, guys. This is a really crucial support over here, almost 2.5 cents. Yeah, 0.027. But it all in all, guys, it has performed extremely well in the last year, guys. It went from 0.008331 all the way to 5 cents. I think it has performed extremely well, and for what Flare offers, $1.1 billion market cap is nothing, guys. It can offer a lot. What it is doing is extremely unique. It is unique in the market. The F assets and providing basically providing smart contracts to the projects that do not intrinsically have them, like XRP, Doge, BTC. I mean, this is huge, guys. Wait till mainstream media gets to know about it. The FOMO will be real, in my opinion. So let us look into the Songbird chart as well. I've seen the Songbird chart as well. It is also somewhat similar to what Flare does, guys. Like, check this out. It is also in the early trying to test this crucial support over here, although the market cap is a lot different, and the price levels are different, but the yearly chart are somewhat similar. Flare is also testing a crucial support, and it did a false little breakdown towards the downside, but it still is above that support level. So yeah, almost similar. And Songbird has performed extremely well as well. It went from 0.004 all the way to 0.018. Performed extremely well, guys. And Songbird, in my opinion, is even more undervalued, guys. Check this out. Check out the chart. Let us look at its all-time high, down 98.79% from its all-time highs, despite performing so well in the last year. It is still down 98.79%, guys, from 0.0088 all the way to 71 cents or 72 cents almost. I mean, this is awesome. And Flare can perform extremely well because it is not only providing F assets and these smart contracts, but it is one of the contenders for oracles as well, guys. Check this out. Igniting the Oracle Wars. Keep an eye on Flare. Check this out. The author is Penguin Roy, return on investment, huh? ROI, research advisor at Maelstrom. Maelstrom, May 9th, 2024. So this is one of the latest posts. I really like this post. This was really interesting. I'm going to be sharing this with you guys. You guys can read the details yourselves. So anyways, check this out. Oracle protocols act as intermediaries between decentralized networks and external data sources. Guys, basically, oracles, I've told you time and again that they are basically connecting the external data, the external world with the on chain activities. So, check this out, linking together on chain and off chain data in a secure and scalable way. So, the blockchain security, if the blockchain tries to go external by itself, that the security element can get lost. So this is where the oracle comes into play, and oracles are extremely important for mass adoption of crypto, guys. Oracles are extremely important, and Flare is one of them. One of them you might have heard about the others as well, guys. Chainlink, Pyth, Flare, and I've told you one more, which is extremely undervalued. Ply, guys. Let me share with you the uh, chart of Ply. Sorry, this took so long. CMC is extremely slow. Anyways, so look at the chart, guys. It is extremely undervalued. Only $6.4 million market cap. So the Flare community can get a look into this as well when we're talking about oracles. So not only Chainlink, Pyth, but obviously Flare is also challenging Chainlink and Pyth in this arena, guys. Check this out. It is clear that Chainlink leads the market but has latency and high throughput limitations, while Pyth focuses on financial institutions but leaves more to be desired in terms of general applicability. So this is where Flare comes into play, guys. Check out Flare. Flare combines functionality comparable to Chainlink and Pyth with aspects of an entirely sovereign Layer 1. I failed to mention that Flare is a Layer 1 as well. So this is awesome, guys. Flare is becoming an ecosystem in and of itself, guys. It is a unique and likely undervalued play. Let's delve in and explore how value accrues to each other. So this is Link. You guys can check out Link, a name synonymous with oracles, is the undisputed market leader. Its robust decentralized network of nodes has made Chainlink the go-to choice for many dApps, DEXs, and DeFi platforms, and it has performed extremely well as well. It has got a really good market cap as well. Check this out. Boasts a market cap of over 7 billion. I think it has increased with the current price appreciation. We're concerned with Flare. Where is Flare? So yeah, Flare, an emerging contender in the Oracle space, takes a different approach to Chainlink, Pyth, and other competitors. Namely, that Flare isn't just an Oracle. So this is Flare isn't just an Oracle network, guys. It also has compute, that is AVM smart contracts. Flare combines a smart contract platform with an enshrined Oracle system, whereby validators responsible for network consensus and producing blocks are also responsible for delivering data to the network. So Flare is doing everything internally, guys. Has a smart contract capability as well. It is a layer one. It is giving functionality, smart contracts to these other players as well. It is doing so much, guys. That is, validators are required to successfully provide accurate data to the network in order to receive any validation rewards and passive income opportunities. We've talked time and again that passive income in Flare is great. Google Cloud recently joined as a validator and contributor to Flare's enshrined oracles alongside the likes of Figment and ANKR. So we talked about the Google Cloud news as well, guys. I mean, Flare is basically building strong foundations over here, guys. Check this out. Flare's two enshrined oracles, the data connector and Flare time series oracle, form the backbone of the system. The data connector brings state data from other blockchains and web services onto the Flare blockchain. Meanwhile, the FTSO delivers time series data from multiple chains to Flare. So this is awesome, guys. Look at the market cap. Even if Flare achieves the market cap of Pyth and of Link, it will give good short-term returns. But guys, Flare can do so much more because the smart contract F assets and its smart contract functionality to those that do not have smart contracts like XRP, Doge, and BTC, it can be huge. Let me show you share this thread as well. This is recent, guys, April 3rd. Flare's upgraded Oracle FTSO V2 offers faster updates, wider data coverage, and low costs, all while staying decentralized. So this is the key term, guys. Doing this while staying decentralized. This is win-win, guys. So check out key improvements. One, number of data feeds. FTSO version 1 supported around 18. Meanwhile, FTSO version 2 supports over 50 feeds with a design capable of scaling to 1,000 feeds. The best part about Flare is that it is constantly progressing and developing, transforming, upgrading, guys. Check this out. Key improvements. Update frequency, version 1 updates every 2 minutes, version 2 offers 2 update options, anchor updates every 90 seconds, or stream updates every block for even faster near real-time price changes. This is awesome. Introducing new feature, fast updates in FTSO V2. dApps can leverage the fast updates feature, a system where rotating data providers submit small adjustments to the data feed very frequently. Awesome. So how do we achieve these while staying decentralized and low cost? So this is the answer, guys. How does the Flare team achieve this? So behind the scenes, off-chain computations, weighted median system, weight caps, verification, and signing, guys. So this is awesome. Off-chain computation, computationally intensive tasks such as calculating median values have been moved off-chain and are the direct responsibility of the provider. So these are the technicalities: weighted median system, a permissionless network of 100 data providers, weight caps, a maximum weight cap of 2.5% is applied. Meanwhile, verification and signing, verification data to the chain together with the signature over the hash to finalize a result. A minimum combined weight threshold of 50% of signatures is required, guys. This is really awesome, guys. In my opinion, the Oracle wars are here, and this is not only a war. I mean, I would really like to change the. If I was writing this article, I would not write Oracle wars because we need multiple oracles in the market to for the market to function seamlessly and smoothly, guys, in my opinion. Not just my opinion, guys. The experts say that the single point of error issue that an oracle can do can be an issue for the entire market. It can be flawed. It can break down the entire system if you rely on only one oracle. So there are various oracles that need to be relied upon, like Chainlink, Pyth, Flare, and guys, like I told you guys about Plug and Ply, that is a play which is extremely undervalued, just $6.6 million market cap at the moment. So that is also a good opportunity in the market. But overall, the Flare ecosystem is a juggernaut in the making, guys. Let us fingers are crossed to where this thing can go in the next few years or decade or so. So, anyways, guys, what do you guys think about the Oracle Wars? To hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.